Hello, thank you for joining us today. I'm Susie with Mayflower, your training ambassador. Today we're going to do a design that will incorporate any balloon that you have that has polka dots in it. So today I found one like this that has polka dots in it. And what we need to do is pre-inflate 7 1/60s of various colors. We need 20 5-inch balloons that are smaller than usual. So I'm going to show you how to do these balloons. I'm just going to do 2 of them, not 20. I've already done 18. And then you'll need to weigh down your balloon with a weight, and that is all that you need for this design. So let's get started with how we're going to inflate these little dots. So you're just going to take your 5-inch balloon, put it down to the base, and I will inflate it a couple of times. And now I'm just going to let the air out until I have a size that I like, but most importantly what I'm looking for is a round shape. Now as I'm tying it, I'm really going to put a lot of pressure on the balloon to pull the neck. And when I'm tying this knot, I'm making sure that there is an awful lot of neck to the balloon, and the knot is right at the very base. So you'll get pretty good at this. Just kind of big until you see it small. That's a nice round size. Pulling it through and twisting it down. Okay, so now we're going to take one of the Q160s, and this is a little tricky, but stay with me. So we're going to take the end, and we're just going to pinch it, and I'm going to twist it so that it kind of resembles a little coffee bean. I'm going to do this 3 times at the end of each one of these 1/60s, so that I have this little triad here. The reason I like this so much is because I can just take one of these balloons and stick it in the center of the 3, wrap this around, and then I'm going to make sure that I just cut off the very end of this balloon so that you don't see any of the mechanics. And I'm going to turn each one of these little pinch twists so that the coffee beans are all kind of looking up. We're going to repeat the same thing on the end. This one does not have a nozzle, so I'm not going to pinch it over. I'm just going to leave it twisted like this. Pinch, twist this one. Pinch and twist this one. Have my 3 little units right here. Choose a balloon and just go around, 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 and around. Lose the mechanics. Stick him right up top. So you have this. I'm going to show you that again. We're going to start off with a pinch twist. A second pinch twist. A third pinch twist. And your balloon can just sit right in the center. Go around each one of these. And release the tip, and it sits right in the center of that coffee bean. Then again, 1, 2, 3. Sit in the center. I'm just going to lose the end. Make sure that he's sitting comfortably on his new little home. Okay, so we have 5 of these, and I have them all over here. So we just want to line them all up so that the dots are at the end. Get to the middle of this and just twist them around. Now this is going to sit at the base of your balloon. So I like to just go hands-free and put my belly against the table here. I'm just going to take this ribbon and wrap it around my balloon, making sure that the ribbon is sticking straight out. So at this point, I just kind of fold these guys down. Now this is pretty cute in and of itself, you must admit, but I think we can go a step further and we can decorate our ribbon here. So how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to take a balloon and I'm just going to tie it around my fingers and then just put it into the middle of this string. So that he is just sitting in here, and I'm just going to lose the mechanics. Go about 5 inches down or so, and I'll include another one. So I'm just taking my fingers like this, wrapping the balloon around, making sure that string's in there, pushing it through, pulling it tight, taking that off. Same amount of room, like this. Another one. My 2 fingers. Wrapping it around. Making sure the ribbon's in there. Well, not every one goes in perfectly, so you just want to wrap it around. Make sure the ribbon is included. Put them through. Use your mechanics. Let's do one more. Pretty color. Okay, well now that we're at this stage of the balloon, we have gone to so much effort to make sure that it looked this good. It's a pity that we would just sell this with the base like this. So since we've come this far, I think we should just take it a step further, don't you? Take your last 2, since you blew up 7, you used 5 for the top part. And I have the inflated ends, and I have tied them together. I'm going to take it, put it together, take these 2, put them together, and this just creates a whimsical little sea anemone or a flower of sort. And now that we have so many dots in there, I think it would be a pity if we didn't just add some more. So these can just wrap around the base. I think 3 is a good number. Throw another one in here. Wrap it around the base. Another one. Wrap it around. And now this will just sit comfortably on your weight. Then you go around a couple times. Pull it tight. And now you have an end, a middle, and the top. So if you see something that isn't quite right, these are quite bendable and flexible. You can just make them your own. They should all kind of point down, make them look like they have a little bit of weight to them. Okay, well, I'd buy that. I hope this helps you decorate your department with something unique and delightful. Thank you so much for joining us today, and have yourself a wonderful one.